Scent layering transforms your home from a single note space into a multi-dimensional sensory sanctuary. This is the same technique luxury spas and perfumers use, and it's surprisingly accessible. Think of scent layering like composing music. Your base layer, sandalwood, vanilla, or amber, grounds the space. Position reed diffusers in high traffic areas for continuous delivery. This is your foundation. Next, the middle layer. Florals like jasmine or warm spices like cinnamon add complexity. Place candles 6 feet from your base layer to prevent scent collision. This creates depth without overwhelming. Finally, accent notes. Light citrus or fresh eucalyptus in intimate zones, bathrooms, entryways. These ephemeral touches elevate the entire composition. The 60-30-10 rule is key. 60% intensity to your dominant base scent, 30% to complementary middle notes, 10% to delicate accents. This creates balance and sophistication. Common mistakes? Overloading with competing fragrances, mixing clashing families, or rushing the process. Allow 15 to 20 minutes between layers. Let each note develop before adding the next. The result? A signature scent environment that's uniquely yours, layered, intentional, and unmistakably luxurious. Explore our curated fragrance collection at flatironhome.com.